Alright, this is from Unjoo. Let's say somewhere on the thing here. Anyway, this is a brand called Unjoo. And this is their geometry kit. 10 pieces. Shatterproof storage box. The storage box actually feels pretty sturdy. I like this press. It's a little difficult to get open one-handed. You have to press with one hand and then lever with the other hand to get it open. It's not hard. It's just not super easy. It doesn't pop open, is what I'm trying to say. So we got the blue set. Very bright, vivid blue color here. I mean, my fingernails are bright blue, and it puts them to shame. So, what do you get in here? I'm going to tell you, I'm a math teacher. I have seen everything. I have seen so many sets like this, and this is one of the better ones. This is great for elementary kids, kids learning to draw with shapes, junior high, high school, beginning college if you're not an engineering type major. If you're just going to take a couple of math classes, this should be sufficient. It would have been when I took math classes. So what you get is a tiny little ruler, and you really don't want a big one because you're going to be making, drawing things that are, you know, draw a graph and you've got this much room. Okay, you get a triangle that is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And then you also get a 45 degree right triangle. So that helps you with your angle measurements. You get a protractor, which is, okay, a little dinky, but not too bad. Not liking this dot up here at the top. I wish the dot was down here on the line. But, I mean, I've seen worse. It's actually a fairly average. You get a pencil. You get an eraser. I'm going to watch. This is a super flimsy. You're going to want to probably throw it away especially if you've got a rough kid. A little pencil sharpener, which is a little dinky. Not overly impressed with it, but it will get the job done. If you're just doing pencils. This is a one that's got little tiny leads, and here's some more little tiny leads. So there's your little tiny leads. This did all come loose while I was during shipping, so it was kind of not as neat. I slid everything back where it belonged. It wasn't a horrible mess because you can't really go very far with the lid down. This one, you put the pencil in. Not impressed with this plastic screw. I wish they had gone ahead and used metal like they did for the rest of it, but they chose plastic. Overall, if a child or the person using it takes care of it, it should last you from, up into high school. If you get it in 4th, 5th, 6th grade, it should last you a good 5-6 years. If you take care of it, I wouldn't see any reason why it wouldn't last you right up through high school and graduation, and maybe a first year of college when you get out of your classes. However, if you have heavy use of it, you might want to replace it. These are not drafting quality by any means. And it leaves out tools that draw circles and parallel lines and things like that. I had a tool called a geometer when I was taking geometry. Amazing little tool. And I've gotten several of them over the years from Amazon. So between that and this, you'd have everything you need for elementary, junior high, high school.